Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. If this is the sort of content that you do enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. So as you can see guys, today we're going to be tackling this dirty Suzuki Swift. And the products of choice today is WOWOS. It stands for Wax On, Wax Off Scotland. So we're going to see how we get on. Hope you enjoy this one guys. So as always, we always tackle the arches, tyres, then the alloy wheels, because these are normally the dirtiest parts of the car. So this is just a different brand citrus in the IK sprayer applied to the arches, and we're going to go in with the Easy Go brush. So this little bit of footage has been sped up just so we can get to the actual product and the review. So we're starting off with clean wheels. As you can see, I'm applying it to the face and in the barrels. So we're just going to tackle this with the Easy Wheelbarrow brush. Now for this stuff to have brought these wheels back to how they was shows that this is a very good product. And would I use it again? Most definitely. So we always hit the tyres twice, and I always like to use the Vican soft bristle brush. So we're just going to give these wheels a quick rinse, and you will see a noticeable difference between the before and after. The clean wheels have brought these wheels up an absolute treat. So now we finish with the wheels. We always like to go to a citrus just to help break down all the dirt and the grime off the car. And like I said in the beginning, this is not a citrus from this brand. So I'm just showing you that I have applied citrus to this car, but these footage will be sped up. So now we're moving on to the awesome foam snow foam. I applied this via the MJJC snow foam lance all over the car. Left to dwell for about 5 to 10 minutes, then rinsed off. And guys, I will warn you, viewers, discretion is advised on this video. Your eyes are not deceiving you. I am wearing socks with sliders. And that's just for Steve McMahon at Geeky Detail Reviews on Instagram. I applied this via the heavy soiling dilution on the back of the bottle. And it wasn't overly thick. It smelled very nice. I'm sure it was like a cherry scent. So because this car hasn't been washed in I don't know how long, while the snow foam was dwelling, this was a perfect time to go around and down all my brushwork, getting into all the intricate areas like the filler cap, door rubbers, the door jambs, from the grille. So now it's time to rinse off the snow foam and get ready for our contact wash, where we're going to be using the WOWOS Detailer's Shampoo. So now we're on to the Detailer's Shampoo. Now on first thoughts, it is very, very watery and you don't expect much, I'll be honest. But after using it and soaping it up in the bucket, I was totally wrong. This stuff is absolutely amazing. It's probably one of the best shampoos I've ever used in my life. The cleaning is fantastic. Suds and slickness for days. And it's just on point. It is definitely worth going and buying. Honestly, guys, as soon as you watch this video, head over to WOWOS and order yourself some of this. You will not be disappointed, I promise you now. And as if this shampoo couldn't get any better, the added bonus is the smell. Parma Violet takes you right back to your childhood. So now we've finished with the contact wash. It's time to rinse off. So now we're going to go around the car with the fallout remover. Now I don't know if it was just my nose playing tricks on me, but this doesn't smell as bad as normal fallouts. And going round the car, there wasn't that much fallout. There was just a little bit on the bonnet and there was a little bit in the back of the car, but nothing really too bad. So now after we've washed, deconned, we haven't clayed, but just look at the water behaviour. It's just stuck to the car. So now we're going to try WOWOS Hydra Bead, but we're going to use it as a drying aid. Same, I'm going to apply it with the MJJC snow foam lance, and you can immediately see the difference in water behaviour. So here's just a different view. We're spraying it on and immediately the water starts to bead. Like I said, I am using this as a drying aid. There will be a quick detailer going over the top after we've dried the car. Now fair play, using this Hydra Bead has made drying this car effortless. I run round this car in no time at all. So just to put a little bit of shine and a bit of protection on the car, we're going to hit it with the quick detailer. Now this stuff, it went on easy, buffed in, flipped the cloth and buffed off, and it left a nice deep shine and it was really easy to use. Would I use it again? Definitely. So now we're on to the glass cleaner. If you're like me, guys, I hate cleaning glass. And I've been a window cleaner for the past 15 years. That's my day job. But with this stuff, it makes cleaning glass effortless. Goes on nice, streak-free finish, job done. So here they are, guys, the end results. So guys, I'd like to say a big massive thank you for all you guys that's watching, subscribing and liking the videos. I do hope you've enjoyed it. If you have used any of these WOWOS products, please leave it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. So guys, the links will be in the description for these products. I'd like to say a big massive thank you to James Ollie, the owner of WOWOS. What a great guy, top customer services, and really knows his stuff. Links will be down below. Go out and buy that shampoo and the rest of his range. He got some amazing deals on our website, guys. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.